Motorbike fans around the world are being shocked by the latest rumors stating that famous designer Bezzi has worked on a new design for the Moto Guzzi Stornello 850. Reportedly, the design prepared by Bezzi will follow in the footsteps of previous legendary motorbikes, creating an impressive blend of classic heritage and modern innovation. The design that is believed to be launched is believed to take inspiration from the classic Moto Guzzi Stornello 125 motorbike, which was famous in the 1960s. With the Bezzi touch, this latest motorbike is expected to present an attractive retro feel, while still maintaining reliable capability and performance according to Moto Guzzi standards. From the images circulating, the design appears to feature typical Moto Guzzi elements, such as the V-twin engine positioned longitudinally, as well as elegant and sleek lines that reflect a classic style. However, this design is also certain to have a modern touch, with the latest technology and advanced features which are expected to improve the driving experience for motorbike fans. Meanwhile, with news of the presence of the Moto Guzzi Stornello 850, competition in the classic and retro motorbike market is expected to heat up. Potential competitors may include similar motorbikes from other manufacturers that also carry a classic style, but with a modern touch, such as the Triumph Bonneville or Ducati Scrambler. However, with Moto Guzzi's reputation and heritage, it is hoped that the Stornello 850 can become an attractive choice for classic motorbike fans around the world. Currently, there is no official confirmation from Moto Guzzi regarding this rumor. However, motorbike fans and lovers can't wait to see what the Moto Guzzi Stornello 850 actually looks like and what performance and features this anticipated legendary motorbike will offer.